Members of the Nyamira County Assembly now want Governor Nyaribo investigated a day after he sacked his health executive Dr. Timothy Ombati for allegedly misappropriating monies meant for buying drugs for hospitals. The MCAs included Deputy Speaker Thaddeus Nyabaro and Deputy Majority Leader Duke Masira said the governor, after sacking the health executive Dr. Ombati, should also take full responsibility by stepping aside to pave way for independent investigations to take place. The MCAs also want the Chief Officer for the Department of Primary Healthcare, Andrew Ongere, sacked for the same misdoings since he was the sole accounting officer in the department.
We've no medicine, not in any one of the facilities. Even the ones that they told us that they delivered, we've not seen anything there. And that is why people are running away from our facilities to the clinics that we have around in our county. And I can tell you, every other time, our brothers and sisters, whenever they visit our premises for medication, every other time they are told, enda hapo kwa chemist nje mununue madawa, which should not be the order of the day. And we also want our brother, if he is candid enough and if he is very clean, to step aside, as we also even invited the EACC to come and also assist us in moving out this great man who has been working in proxy of shivoning money to go and do his construction elsewhere, where he also wants to make himself rich.
Dr. Ombati was just acting as the head of the department, but we have a chief officer who is the accounting officer of the department. The first person who should have gone home was the chief officer, not the minister. We call upon our governor to allow independent bodies to investigate on what transpired on that particular occasion.
The governor is trying to preempt the evils that are going on in the county government. There are many reports that are waiting to come out clearly. His Excellency the Governor should not be the person accusing his minister. In fact, he should accuse first himself.
From Nyamira County, we take a